YouTube accepts video uploads in many different formats. Here are the ones that YouTube was officially accepting at the time that I made this video. But a lot of people ask about file types like these, and this is just a small selection, by the way. They want to know how it's possible to convert them. Well, they can't exactly be converted because they're not video files. They are in fact project files, and project files contain no video and no audio. What they contain is a list of instructions for the video editor. Now, when you've finished editing, you might think, that's it, you're done. After all, you can play the video in your video editor. But you're not finished. This is not a video. This is a preview of what the video will look like when it's done. So a project file is instructions on how to make a video. If you're using Windows Live Movie Maker, you can actually open a project file in a text editor and see the instructions there because they're written in a human-readable XML format. So how does it work? Well, imagine that YouTube is somebody sitting in a restaurant waiting for a meal. Well, what's this? A beef Wellington, sir. No, it's not. It's a recipe for beef Wellington, but I can't eat this. Where's the beef? Sir, it is in the kitchen. Now, in our analogy, the kitchen represents your computer's hard drive. All the ingredients to make a video are still on your computer. All YouTube has is the recipe. Oh, do you expect me to go in there and cook it myself? I am very sorry, sir, but I'm afraid we cannot allow patrons access to our kitchens. Well, of course not. You really don't want YouTube, or any other website for that matter, poking about on your hard drive looking for files to upload. You need to tell your video editor to actually cook the video. The technical term for this process is rendering. Some video editors might say save movie, others might say export. But be careful here because export can mean different things to different video editors. YouTube has an article about this in its help center. I've put a link in the video description. You should also check your own video editor's help files, which you can normally access simply by pressing F1. The rendering process will take several minutes. When it's finished, you should have an actual multimedia file. Check it first by playing it in your computer's media player, and if everything looks fine, then you can upload it to YouTube. Your wine, sir.